Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Easy Classes. In the previous video, we have learned how to install local machine on our device. Also, we have installed the WordPress site and is successfully up and running. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the WordPress with XAMPP. Yes guys, this is the another alternative video for you to install the WordPress on your local device. Okay, without wasting time, let's install the XAMPP. To install the XAMPP on your device, open any browser and do Google search for XAMPP, download and press enter. Now you will find apachefriends.org. So open that to download the XAMPP. In the first result, you can see here there are 3 versions available for Windows, Linux and OS X for Mac. And in my case, I'm going to use the Windows version because I'm running with Windows 10. If you are running with Linux or Mac OS, then you can use these versions. So in my case, the Windows version I'm going to use. Okay, let me download the Windows version now. I'm going to install a latest version here. For that, I will go to 8.1.1, the PHP version. So let me download it. So you can download any versions. So if you prefer with 7.4 PHP version, you can go ahead with this. This is the most stable, and 8.1.1, this is the latest version in 2021. That's why I'm going to use the latest version here. Let me download it. Okay, now we have downloaded the XAMPP file. So let me install it. So double click on the downloaded file. Say next here. And you can select the preferred PHP and other packages here. So let me install with the all packages by default and say next. Okay, now the installation folder you have to select. By default, the XAMPP will select XAMPP folder under C drive. So I'm okay with that and let hit next. Now select the language which you prefer. So in my case, English only. There is only 2 options, Dutch and English. So let me select English and say next. And finally next. It's now ready to install. Say next. Guys, it will take few seconds to install XAMPP completely. Be patient. Yes, we have successfully installed the XAMPP on our Windows device. In the final step, it will ask you to open the control panel when you finish it. So let me untick and finish. Now we have successfully installed the XAMPP on your Windows device, but it's not showing any icon here, right? Don't worry, we can easily find it. Then go to the Windows search bar and type XAMPP. You'll find the XAMPP control panel. So open that. Here is the control panel. We can control the local server. Okay, now we have to start the local server, right? To start that, start Apache, and for database, start MySQL, because without database we cannot work, right? So that's why the server Apache and MySQL should be start. So now we have started our local server. To confirm whether the server is running or not, to check that, open any browser and in the URL section type http:// then localhost and then press enter. Yes, you can see here our local server is run and working well. Now go to the XAMPP folder and try to stop any service here. I have stopped the Apache server, and if you come to the local host dashboard, refresh it, you can see here the server is down now because we have not started the local server yet. So always start the server and database. Yes, this is how the local server will work. If you start the local server with MySQL, you can install WordPress and run your local development platform. Okay, I have already started again, and if you refresh it, it will again up and running. Okay, the next step, we have to install the WordPress, right? So now we have installed the hosting platform. So let me install the WordPress. To install the WordPress, we have to reach the root directory. To reach the file manager or root directory, you'll find Explorer button here. So click on that. This is the XAMPP folder. You will find the bunch of files here. Then find HD docs. Double click on that. So this is the folder. HD docs will contain the website files. So as you can see, here is the dashboard, and if you enter the localhost, you will be end up with a dashboard, right? Because in the dashboard section we have installed the HTML file. That's why it's showing the dashboard like this. So this is the file which is showing up here. So don't get confused. The all WordPress files are going to install in this htdocs folder. So now by default it is installed with the XAMPP files. Let me delete them all. Yes, if you run this one, so there is no files found, right? So let install the WordPress locally. To install WordPress, go to the Google search and type WordPress download. In the first result, you will find wordpress.org/download. So open that, scroll down. You will find the download WordPress button. So this is the latest version 5.8.2. In my case, download the latest version. Click on the button and save the file to your local directory. Yes, we have completed the download. Open the download directory. Okay, here it is the file. Right click on that and select extract all and extract now. Okay, the extraction is complete. Open the folder and you will find the WordPress folder. Open that and you will find the bunch of files including the WP admin, WP content, WP includes and other PHP files. So let me select all files and say copy, and you need to paste under XAMPP folder under htdocs, which we previously uninstalled the default files, right? So in such case, or open the XAMPP control panel and you will find Explorer. Click on that. Okay, now we are under the XAMPP folder. You will find htdocs folder. Open that and here you need to copy the WordPress files. So let me copy here by Ctrl+V. Yes, we have successfully copied the all files into the htdocs folder, right? So now let me open the browser and in the URL section you need to type https or http:// and press enter. Yes guys, as you can see here, the installation window will open to install the WordPress on our local server. The first step, you have to select the language. So let me select the default language English. So in your case, you can select any language. So let me continue with the English and it will ask you few requirements you have to provide in the future. That is the database name, the database username, the database password and database host. So this should be ready with you. Okay, to get them, open a new tab. After the localhost, to put / and type phpMyAdmin and press enter. So then you will be end up with this PHP admin dashboard. So here we are going to create databases. You'll find databases section. Click on that. Here are the databases which is previously created by the software. Now go to the user accounts. Here we need to create a new user account. To create that, hit on the add user account and provide the username. So in my case, I will select as admin only and select localhost as a host name. And in the password section, put the password. So this is the database password. And next you have to select create database with the same name. And provide the global privileges by checking the all data structure and administration sections. And finally, you need to hit the go button. So when you hit the go button, a new database will create. So that is the admin name and the username also as admin, as you can see here. Next, go to the WordPress installation directory and say let's go. Here you need to paste the database details. The database name is admin and the username is also admin in my case, and put the database password, and in the database host it will be localhost only, and say submit. So now run the installation, and finally you need to provide the website title. Here just type any site name. For that, username as admin, so you can change it to anything, and password, and finally put your admin email. And if you want to discourage the search engines to crawl your website, you can select this one and finally hit the install WordPress. That's it, we have successfully installed the WordPress. To visit your website, go to the localhost and press enter. So this is your new WordPress site. To open the WordPress admin dashboard, put wp-admin after the localhost by following the / and press enter. So provide the admin dashboard details here. So not the database details, the WordPress admin dashboard details which we finally used, right? So then login. So this is our new dashboard which we created with the WordPress. So we can customize our WordPress with this dashboard help. And if you want to visit your new site, you will find the My WordPress site, the site name. Click on that. So you will end up with the site homepage. This is the basic website which we created with the WordPress. So we can customize it in any way. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize this WordPress site by installing a new premium theme, or else you can use free theme also. But in this course, I'm going to show you with the premium theme, we can customize the WordPress entirely. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon. And we will meet you in the next exciting video like this. Until then, bye bye.